Mom.
Okay, so do you know how are we going to make rain clouds? No, it's a surprise. Are you ready for the surprise? Are you ready for the surprise?
I don't know.
I will show you. I will show you. Mama is going to show surprise to baby. Okay. So are you ready?
Yes, Mama.
So now for making clouds, what are we going to do? We are going to take this glass container and here I'm going to make two clouds. So I'm going to use two containers. Okay. And we are going to fill it with water. Remove your hand.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, no, no.
And now we are going to make clouds. Clouds with foam. Do it? Yeah.
How about ready?
Yay! So one cloud is ready.
Look.
Yay! And we are going to make now another cloud.
What is Kiagi?
Yay! So both the clouds are ready. Yes?
Right.
Do you know what is this white? This is cloud. What is this? Yes, and this water is air. So this is cloud in the sky and this is air. And now we are going to make a magical rain. It's going to be colorful rain. Are you ready for the magical rain?
I am, yes, Mama, I am ready.
So we are going to drop these colors in the clouds with the help of dropper. Well, rain is coming down. Can you see? Red color rain down. Yeah. I can see red color rain here in the air. Yes. Can you see? Yes, I can see yellow color here. I can see yellow color down. Wow, it's magical. Put some more yellow color. See, the rain is coming down. It's raining. Now put some red color in this. Press it again.
But
Which color are you using?
sticker.
Yay!
Rescue.
Rescue. I can see blue rain also down.
Bubble. Wow.
Yes, the yellow color